This is a video of Salesforce CPQ and how CPQ can be used for advanced quoting. What we're looking at right now is an opportunity for Omega. And when you want to do quoting in Salesforce, Salesforce comes with standard quoting, which means you can set up products in price books. Each price book will have a list of products, and you can go through and select those. There are limitations, however, to standard products and price books. There's no bundling. There's no advanced calculations. So it's limited as to what you can do. That's why people turn to CPQ for advanced quoting. So what we're going to do here is we are going to go into CPQ quotes and we're going to create a new quote. As part of this quote, what we're going to do is add products to it and really show you the sophistication as to what CPQ can do. So what we're going to do here is we've created a quote, but we need to add products to it. So let's go in here and we're going to edit lines. And as part of this, what we're going to do is we've got a start date for the quote. We've got an end date for the quote. We may have a subscription term, payment terms, other things like that. But what we want to do is add products. Now what we're looking at here is some guided selling. So this is some functionality that, based upon the answers to some of these questions, it's going to recommend products based upon the business rules. So what edition they're considering standard. It is a new logo. Let's say they have 5,000 employees, and suggest. So what this is going to do is this is going to suggest the standard bundle for software based upon what I put in. So I'm going to go ahead and check that, and I'm going to select it. Now this is where the magic of CPQ comes into play. Based upon selecting that bundle, it selects product A, product C, and it recommends product B. I may or may not want it, but I've got the ability to uncheck it if I do. Then it comes down here and it recommends add-ons. This add-on, product D, is volume discounted. Product E is not discounted. So for purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to select both. And then it also gives me dynamic options. What I can see here is for product F, if I select it, it hides product G and H because they don't work with it. So I'm going to go ahead and select product F, and it's going to run through, hide the other two, and then I could also select some consumables if I want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and save that. What that is doing now is that is putting together the quote here with the different products that I have picked. Now in this case, we have a non-discountable product. I cannot go in here. You can see it's locked. I cannot go in and change the discount. Here is a volume discounted product. And when I come over here to the table, I can see that based upon the quantity that I'm purchasing, there is a discount amount associated to it. So once I get up to 21 or more, it's $15 off. And you can see that on the far right. Well, I want to be able to go in because I really like this customer, and I'm going to give them a 70% discount off of this, and I'm going to go ahead and calculate it. What it's going to say is you can only do 15% here, or you got to go to your manager. Well, I don't want to go to my manager for this, so I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of this. Oops. And let's just delete it, and let's recalculate. So the quote comes to $11,000. Well, the customer only has $10,500. That's it. That's all they can spend on this. So, okay, gosh, I got to go through and do an additional discount in order to meet the rules that we have in place by product on discount amount. Or I could put in $10,500 here, hit calculate, and it's going to apply a discount to each one of these, such that when I look at my quote total, it's now at $10,500. So now I've got it where the client needs the pricing. I've met all the pricing approval rules. I want quantity 1 of each. Of course, I could go in here and change the quantity on some of these if I need to. But at this point, I'm going to go ahead and save this. So we have just saved our quote. I've got all these quote line items with the quantities, with the discount amount, and all that. Now it's time to generate a document. I want to be able to send that out to the client. So I'm going to click on the Generate Document here. And what it's going to do is it's going to, based upon the products I've selected, based upon the guided selling that I went through, it's going to include certain documents in here, along with optional documents that I may want to add to this. This could be a product overview. It could be information about installation. It could be whatever you want here. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to it. So now I've got 3 documents that I want to have automatically generate. Now, some of those documents could be just standard. There's no mail merge functionality. Others could have a lot. So let's go ahead and I could create this, save it to Salesforce, and email it out to the client. For purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to preview it. So it is now being created within Salesforce CPQ, and the template can be fully customized to look and feel how you want it. In this case, I'm just going to scroll down here, and it's a proposal for Omega, little footer, and here's just an intro letter, and then here's actually where the proposal looks. And you can see here that the list price was listed, all the discounts, and it totaled up to $10,500. So you've got the ability to do very sophisticated bundling, quoting, discounts, and just by clicking, be able to take that document, be able to save it, and be able to email it out to your client. So again, this is just a short demonstration of Salesforce CPQ. If you'd like to learn more, please give us a call at 877-279-1900 or reach out to us at www.sikich.com/contact-us. Thank you very much.